Stop playing with the freaking harmonica. Do it again. Hold on. Alright, Dan, here. Just give me my phone when I'm in there. Just record. No, it's recording right now. Your hand's covering it. Record me going in there. I want to see if, like, I'll make it. Oh, God, there's the hell. You don't even know how small this is right now.
It's pretty big.
No, it's
Little kid crawling in like poop.
like Junior's vagina.
There's no way out.
I'm kidding.
Get your face right now.
Shut up. Is there anything in there?
It's like this whole wall closed.
Justin! Alright, here, get your phone. I want to get in there. No,
I got it. I'm gonna record him. From the outside.
I'm gonna try to go in there. Alright, here.
Is it safe in there?
Give it to Justin real fast.
Now I'm gonna go to the other side and see, record you. Yeah, this is kind of trippy.
Wait, what's in there?
It's like,
Dude, they burn people in that. That's horrible. Justin! What? What happened? Jump out of it. What? Oh. On your phone. I'm going down, bitches.
whoa.
What, you want it, Tom?
I know. Look at me.
Dan, what are you doing? I'm slipping. Why is there a furnace in here? That's the creepy part. And why is it so easy to break?
Yeah, this used to be a beta shop or whatever, a fishing shop or whatever.
Get out now. This is freaking. You don't even know how small this little tunnel is. I saw something.
Bah!
See if you can see me come out of this. Just record from on the outside. I'm a bad feeling. There's like a.
Holy crap, a Mexican! Where have you been hiding all your life? Okay.
Oh, look at that. Dirt.
That's like dirt on my ass.
I'm not recording that.
Oh, the world wants to see it.
Hey, I can die.
He's just not afraid of it.
What? No, never mind. Whatever. What hole?
Dude, I think I might just like jump down.
What are you? Look at this.
It's not that far.
That's a huge fall. This is the second story. No, actually, I think this is the third. No, this is the second. Whatever. Let's go. We gotta go to the other one, and Justin's gonna go home in like an hour.